Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are thinking of taking nature inside your home, then what can be better than stone walls? Just relax and watch this video completely to get ideas to decorate your living room with stone wall. Fashion starts at home, and the way you set your living space will define your taste and choice. Living room stone wall ideas are the new answer to contemporary home setups that add proposing outlook to your entire living room. Watch stacked stone, entire slabs, river rock, field stone, ledge stone, or simple brick to get the only look you need in your living room. Whichever you pick, these wall stone arrives in a wide assortment of natural shapes, surfaces, and shades that will work with all purpose. A stone wall is a perfect choice for contemporary living room, and adding a rugged look to it will enhance the overall experience. Other than beautifying your walls, a stone wall is a perfect way to conceal all your damages, seepages, and cracks, which will not go away by repainting the wall. Thus, since times have changed, you need to transform your walls with stone or stone veneer. Modern interior design with artificial stone creates beautiful rooms and decorate walls and fireplaces in elegant, practical, inexpensive, and attractive way. A fireplace wall or an accent wall with built-in bookcases look fabulous, showing unique textures, shapes, and colors of artificial stone material. Artificial stone add warmth and fantastic flair to your fireplace, decorating and create an amazing accent wall design in contemporary style. With a very strong character and individuality, you can determine your apartment by means of a decorative stone wall. Until recently, the stone walls in living room were typical or as an accent around the fireplace. But times and trends have changed now. Artificial decorative stones have gained great authority as a material. You can turn almost all ideas and projects into interior design and realize it. This material allows you to create an elegant and distinct style. A sense of luxury, beauty, functionality, and resistance are just some of the characteristics of decorative stones. It is durable and ecological material which is externally indistinguishable from real stone. The price and the variety of colors and the ease of installation of artificial decorative stones are the factors that have preference of interior decoration. In addition to the traditional panels with stone around the fireplace, you can decorate columns, niches, or entire walls. The decorative stones allow to easily combine them with other materials such as wallpapers, color, and metals. It will create a unique interior design if you combine the stone wall with wooden furniture. Whether brick, painted, or a rich terracotta color, thick stone or cobblestone, any interior against such a backdrop looks very impressive and stylish. And today, the stone craftsmanship in the house prevail not only in the decorated stone walls but also in the stone floor if the house is made of stone. You can agree that it is a very unusual technique of interior design, and in general, this stone wall is very colorful and memorable. Artificial stone finish is an excellent choice for many homes. This material is versatile, suitable for any interior design style, and give walls good looks. This modern interior design material can nicely blend with your wall and home furnishing, adding a charming appeal to your room design and decorating. The look and feel of artificial stone veneer enhance modern interior design and rooms in vintage style with contemporary or classic designs. There are many reasons to choose artificial stone for your wall design that blends the functionality, practicality, durability, and gorgeous look of this contemporary material making the artificial stone veneer an ideal, cheap, and attractive interior design choice. Artificial stone wall designs are heat resistant. Whether you want to get warm or heat your room in winter, the internal wall is well protected from radiant heat by an artificial stone veneer. Manufactured stone material are total heat resistant because an artificial stone is a controlled cement based product that has the same thickness throughout and the same density. Being inflammable, artificial stone veneer are an excellent finish for your wall design with a fireplace or stove. Manufacturer's stone veneer is a very hard and durable material. This is defined by high quality fine cement which is impact and shock resistant. Fake stone surfaces around your fireplace are hard to damage, so your wall design will look fresh and attractive for many years. Fake stone veneer is practical, easy to clean, and perfect to withstand everyday wear and tear. Manufacturers' stone material are non-porous and non-absorbent of liquid and spills, allowing actually wipe down and clean the surface decorated with artificial stone veneer. Fake stone materials are stylish and add a contemporary flair to modern interior design. Manufacturer's stone veneer is a true replica of natural stone, and this material brings the beauty of natural stone into a room, decorating, enhancing interior design with a natural feel and fantastic features. Artificial stone veneer allow to achieve outstanding creative and affordable style for your modern interior design with a fireplace or accent wall using man-made decorative materials like artificial stones. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern stone wall designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family member. On interior decor designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior design, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Fake stones look fabulous around your fireplace, enrich your accent wall with unique design, color and shapes of stones. Manufactured stones are great for creating an impressive architectural feature and add amazing details to modern interior design that personalize your room, decorating in style. By cladding a wall with manufactured stone veneer, you can create one-of-a-kind accent wall and turn your fireplace into a spectacular focal point for your room decorating. Combining large and small stones or blending different types of stones into your creative interior design, you can create stunning features with unusual, innovative and fresh ideas. Manufacturers' stone material offer a huge benefit of the wide range of colors. You can find fake stones in exactly color you want to match your interior design color scheme. Manufactured stone veneer can be made in any color to brighten up modern interior design or create a calming effect in your room. Natural stones cannot give you this flexibility of color design choices. Fake stones encourage imagination and make it possible to create an amazing accent wall design with your favorite color and texture. A sturdy stone walls add a lot of character to any traditional living space. The dark grey slate is an ideal complement to the warm wooden floor, rich upholstery and gilded wall frames. The appearance is elegant and very consistent with an expanding field farm. There is no denying that stone fireplace improves the appearance of a living room. If you love the old world character, use it to frame the wall of your fireplace. The soft textures and varied form of this stone are natural when combined with traditional or rustic furniture. Living in a house with design elements of a rock-covered wall of the river is amazing. The customization of this can coordinate your space. The texture of the stone can add a beautiful dimension, but with a children around you, the last thing you want is to hit the stone. Create the custom style you like with all the behind the scene features that make your life easier. The grey and brown of the fox stone wallpaper make it easy to decorate and get the perfect look. If your budget for your new home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior design ideas that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration design ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. If you have a small feature wall in the living room which you would like to customize, then always choose a small stone or brick option. Using them only on a portion of wall, this partial stone wall picks the right amount of color and texture required in the small area to enhance the overall design and look of the room. It makes it amazing, attractive with its vibrant color and is less expensive than complete wall installation. Each wall should be placed so that it is little narrower than the bottom layer. This will reduce the wall on the top and add strength. Use the rope to keep each layer straight. After the first layer, use only enough mortar to create a joint. A stone wall looks much better without thick mortar lines. Use smaller stones to keep the line horizontal. The final layer will be the stones of the lid. These will preferably be the stone width of the wall and on regular basis. They can be the same as the stone on the wall or contrasting material. Slate or marble are excellent protection stones and offer a pleasant surface to sit on. Finish the wall using the mortar to order the joint on the wall. Once the mortar is dry, and the wall will be safe and will last for many years. If you have not used mortar, then your wall will remain solid, but you may be susceptible to the stone being forced out by frost. Fashion starts at home, and the way you set your living space will define your taste and choice. Living room stone wall ideas are the new answer to contemporary home setups that add pleasing outlook to your entire living room. Watch stacked stone, entire slabs, river rock, field stone, ledge stone, or simple brick to get the only look you need in your living room. Whichever you pick, these wall stone arrives in a wide assortment of natural shapes, surfaces, and shades that will work with all purpose. A stone wall is a perfect choice for contemporary living room, and adding a rugged look to it will enhance the overall experience. Other than beautifying your walls, a stone wall is a perfect way to conceal all your damages, seepages, and cracks, which will not go away by repainting the wall. Thus, since times have changed, you need to transform your walls with stone or stone veneer. Modern interior design with artificial stone creates beautiful rooms and decorate walls and fireplaces in elegant, practical, inexpensive, and attractive way. A fireplace wall or an accent wall with built-in bookcases look fabulous, showing unique textures, shapes, and colors of artificial stone material. Artificial stone add warmth and fantastic flair to your fireplace, decorating and create an amazing accent wall design in contemporary style. With a very strong character and individuality, you can determine your apartment by means of a decorative stone wall. Until recently, the stone walls in living room were typical or as an accent around the fireplace. But times and trends have changed now. Artificial decorative stones have gained great authority as a material. You can turn almost all ideas and projects into interior design and realize it. This material allows you to create an elegant and distinct style. A sense of luxury, beauty, functionality, and resistance are just some of the characteristics of decorative stones. It is durable and ecological material which is externally indistinguishable from real stone. The price and the variety of colors and the ease of installation of artificial decorative stones are the factors that have preference of interior decoration. So friends, hope you like this video on modern stone wall decorating designs, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.